Comfort food. Ah, food. A very special topic. And have you noticed that there are some foods that are more special than others? I don't mean special foods you eat for holidays or for very special days. No, I'm talking about dishes or foods that you eat that give you a very special, a very homey feeling. It's almost like you're eating a hug, just something that makes you feel comfortable or better even after a very bad day. This is something we call comfort food. And today we'll read an article that goes into detail about what comfort food is. But before we get there, I want to ask you, what is your favorite comfort food? We'll come to this question again after the article. And well, let's go to the article now. What is comfort food and why do we love it? Comfort. Comfort. I know it looks like comfort, but when we say it quickly, it's more like an E. Comfort. 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 The easing or removal of feelings of sadness or stress. Mashed potatoes and gravy is my favorite comfort food. A food that makes us feel happy and safe is often called comfort food. But why does food like this give us comfort? I hope this article was interesting for you today. My question again, what is your favorite comfort food? Ooh, this is hard for me. Maybe for me, it would be congri. This is a Cuban dish of rice and beans cooked together. So it would be congri with yuca, beef, and tostones. So very Cuban, very Caribbean Latino. And I think for my husband, it's either kimchi jjigae or kimchi bokkeumbap or fried kimchi rice. Kimchi fried rice. There we go. Or an omyu rice I make him. So we have different comfort foods, but both have carbohydrates. Both have rice. How about for you? What is your favorite comfort food? Thank you for watching this video. Whatever your comfort food is, I hope you have some today and have a great day.